How to return dictionary or JSON if I use psycopg2? I try to use real dite cursor. But it doesn't work. Result. I need a dictionary, output like this. Yes, I know that I can to make dict with cycle4. But I have the table with 10,000 rows and I need to show 10,000 items fast. I think that cycle4 isn't very fast to solve my problem. Is it true? Can you give me advice to solve my problem very fast with a minimum amount of time? How can I get it? PS. I need it for API service by Flask, so after this I need to return it like this.
You're making an assumption from the printed humanized representation of your retrieved data. Internally it is the dictionary.
If you want to see more, please